So 1,000 years ago, we're going to zoom back again. Zoop. Boom, 10,000 years ago. Now, this is a little bit the oh shit graph. This is the one where you really see that over 1,000 years that the CO2 has been pretty steady. And then bang, we go up quite a lot. You know, likewise, I mean, population is just unbelievable. This is at that scale. And sea level, here you see the dip in sea level, which was the beginning of the, which was the end of the ice age.
It's actually not a dip. Can you go back one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's not a dip in sea level. It's a
rise in sea level from the previous condition.
But here's what's really interesting. Look at this here. So if we just go back 7,000 years, 6,000, 7,000 years, which is about the history of our civilization, recorded history of civilization, maybe is what's 5,000 years. The sea level's been flat. The sea level has stayed still for all of recorded history.
Yes, all of civilization.
So mankind, we believe that the sea level doesn't change because that's everything we've known as a civilization. But this graph, you basically, you move to the left and you see the sea level drops precipitously at the end. So before we were recording history, there was stuff happening.
Yep, yep. So here we've got all of civilization. We've got Egypt, we got Stonehenge, we got the classical age of Greece. All of civilization is in this kind of snapshot. All right. And where were we? This is one of the earliest, well, it is the earliest temple that was ever built, about 10,000 BC, before agriculture was invented, before animals were brought into domestication. What it meant was that people had to organize themselves. They had to share a common belief before any of that stuff was possible. So hunting and gathering tribes came together and they essentially built a civilization at a larger scale. And from that, were able to invent agriculture that then transformed the earth, transformed the ground on which we're walking. Okay, at the same time, the domesticated animals, but just previous to that, at the end of the last ice age, there was a mass extinction of large mammals, mostly mammals, although some birds in there too. But essentially, people ate everything, shot, killed, and ate everything that they could. And that extinction around 14,000 years ago is pretty remarkable. And there is some debate among scientists whether it was climate change or hunting, some combination of the both. But that is our relationship with the animal world, either eat it or domesticate it, or both.